Oh yeah, what up bitches, this is Silent J, and welcome to episode 24, and guess what? I made it back to Japan to see the Unicorn Gundam. Check it out. Last time I got the gold Unicorn Destroy Mode Gundam, built that, and now I'm gonna be spending even more money, get some more exclusives, maybe some P Bandai.
F you, Neil.
That's for my boy, short boy. That transformation was tiny. Too sweet. Look at that! Oh, they got the base!
Oh god.
I think I'm gonna buy more Gundams this time. Now we're gonna take a tour of the newly designed Gundam base, and we're gonna do some shopping over here.
I declare bankruptcy.
Oh, there you go, Build Fighters. You got Sayori and Reggie.
Of Build Fighters?
Yeah. Oh, look at all these real grades. Zero custom. Perfect grades. I got both of these. Oh, I want this one. Got some P Bandais over here. That's the one I've been looking at. I want that one. Oh, that one's sick. So custom built. That one's sick. Whoa. Damn, that was sick. Still don't know what I'm gonna buy. I have two that I want, but I gotta make sure. I gotta do a thorough check. But I'm only gonna buy anything that's exclusive to Gundam Base. This is sick. How it's made Gundam edition. You know that show How It's Made? Yeah. Yeah, it's like that. What's going on over here? Wow. Oh, that's cool. That's a good one. It's like they're building it. Yeah. That's sick. Red Frame Astray. Quite like this one. Alright, I finally found what I wanted. I got the Gundam Base Limited Alley Strike Gundam. Master grade, of course, and the real grade Unicorn Gundam, the one that looks like the life-size one outside. So we gonna buy this, and thank you for joining us. I'll see y'all next time.